This is an interesting knife. I find myself often intrigued by the simple engineering that goes into the opening mechanisms of some of these homemade knives. And this one's no exception. It's a very solid knife. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to show you the mechanism. Opens very strong leaf spring. Beautiful blade. It's a pick lock action. Let's raise up on that. And it closes. So this is the thing. This bar down here is retaining the tip. Okay? When you push on the button, the bar drops down. Okay? And then when you close it, the bar springs out of the way and retains it again. So I'm going to take this front scale off and show you the mechanism, because it's all contained in this front scale. It's a very simple bar, piece of wire, simple spring. The wood itself retains the spring in the upper part, and you're literally just pushing down on that. Simple engineering, but pretty genius.